Hi, students. Today we will read the story, Lesson 8C, Story, Part 1, The Restaurant Workers. Vocabulary. This is a dishwasher. It's a machine. This is a dishwasher. He's a dishwasher. uh, this person is a dishwasher. This is his job. He's a dishwasher. This is 2 words. This is 1 word. That is the only difference. Okay. This is Young's restaurant. They have American, Chinese, and Thai food. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is the Young family. This is Mary, Lauren, Grandma, David, Grace, and Grandpa. The whole family works at Young's restaurant. Server, cook, cashier, custodian, receptionist. Maybe there's a receptionist. Maybe. Manager, worker, and dishwasher. These are the vocabulary words for jobs for this story. Okay. This is Grandma. She works at the restaurant. She's a cook. She cooks meals. This is Grandpa. He works at the restaurant. He's a manager. He manages workers. He manages workers. This is Grace. She works at the restaurant. She's a server. She serves food. This is Lauren. She works at the restaurant. She's a cashier. She counts money. This is Mary. She works at the restaurant too. She's a custodian. She cleans the restaurant. This is Grandma. She works at the restaurant. She's a cook. She cooks meals. What does she do? She cooks meals and she cooks breakfast. She cooks lunch. She cooks dinner. La 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 la. Okay. This is Grandma. She works at the restaurant. She's a cook. She cooks meals. What does she do? She cooks meals. She cooks breakfast. She cooks lunch. She cooks dinner. Does she cook dinner? Yes, she does. Does she cook lunch? Yes, she does. Does she serve food? Yes, she does. Does she serve food? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. This is Grandpa. He works at the restaurant. He's a manager. He manages workers. What does he do? He manages workers. He helps customers. Does he help customers? Yes, he does. Does he manage people? Yes, he does. Does he cook food? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. This is Grace. She works at the restaurant. She's a server. She serves food. What does she do? She serves food. She cleans tables. She helps customers. Does she help customers? Yes, she does. Does she serve food? Yes, she does. Does she count money? No, no, she doesn't. This is Lauren. She works at the restaurant. She's a cashier. She counts money. What does she do? She counts money. She helps customers. Does she help customers? Yes, she does. Does she count money? Yes, she does. Does she serve food? Does she serve food? This is Lauren. No, she's a cashier. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. This is Mary. Mary works at the restaurant. She's a custodian. She cleans the restaurant. Does she clean the restaurant? Yes, she does. Does she clean bathrooms? Yes, she does. Does she clean tables? Maybe sometimes. Yes, she does. Does she serve food? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. The whole family works at Young's restaurant. They work hard. Everyone is busy today. It's a small restaurant. They don't have a receptionist. Oh no, the phone. Grandma's a cook. Does she answer the phone? No, she doesn't. Mary's a custodian. Does she answer the phone? No, she doesn't. Grace is a server. Does she answer the phone? No, she doesn't. Grandpa's a manager. Does he answer the phone? No, he doesn't. Lauren's a cashier. Does Lauren answer the phone? Yes, she does. What are their jobs? What do they do? What does Lauren do? Lauren's a cashier. She counts money. Mary's a custodian. She cleans the restaurant. What does Grandpa do? Grandpa's a manager. He manages workers, or he manages people. Grace, what does Grace do? She's a server. She serves food. What does Grandma do? Grandma's a cook. She cooks food. What does David do? He doesn't have a job. He's a little boy. Does he go to the park? Yes, he does. Does he work at the restaurant? No, he doesn't. Okay, Young's restaurant. Grace, server. Lauren, cashier. This says counts money, answers the phone, serves food, helps customers. What does Grace do? Does she count money? Grace? No, she doesn't. Does she answer the phone? No. Does she serve food? Yes, she serves food. She helps customers too. Yeah. What's Lauren's job? Lauren's a cashier. What does she do? She counts money. And she answers the phone. Does she help customers? Yes, yes, she does. Mary, custodian. Grandma, cook. Grandpa, manager. Cleans the restaurant, manages workers, cooks food, helps customers. What does Mary do? Mary's a custodian. She cleans the restaurant. What does Grandpa do? Grandpa is a manager. He manages workers. Does he cook food? No, no, he doesn't. Does he help customers? Yes, yes, he does. What does Grandma do? She's a cook. Does she manage workers? No, no, she doesn't. Does she cook food? Yes, yes, she does. Okay. Oh no, the dishes. Who washes the dishes? Does Lauren wash the dishes? Does Grandma wash the dishes? Server, manager, custodian. Who washes the dishes? Grandma doesn't wash the dishes. Lauren doesn't wash the dishes. Mary doesn't wash dishes. Grandpa doesn't wash dishes. Does Grace wash dishes? No, she doesn't. They have one more employee. Frankie. Frankie's a dishwasher. He washes the dishes. The end.